I know, when in college you want to make more money. Would it be to spend a little extra and have more fun, or to put it in your savings and invest it in your future, or perhaps you need that money to pay for this school? So here's a list of jobs that I've encountered while in college and that I've done myself, from easiest to the ones that will bring you the most money. So number one is being a TA or help grade exams for your professors. It's the easiest one to get into, as all you need is take the class, get a good grade, and talk to your professor about helping out the following semester. Some professors do not use TAs, but they could ask you to help them grade exams in the future, as they would not want to grade every single one of them if you have 200 students per class and 4 of those classes in a semester. How that would happen, they would give you a key and you would just have to reference the exam of the student to the key. It's pretty simple, and you'd probably make about 10 an hour just grading and doing it at your own pace. Job opportunity number 2 is tutoring. Would it be on campus or off campus? Some universities have learning or tutoring centers set up where students can come in and get tutored for free, but you still do get paid. It makes it easier because you wouldn't have to go out and find students to tutor on your own, but because it is free for the students, the university will pay you roughly $10 to $15 an hour or per tutoring session. Now, if you do go off campus, it is more challenging to find people to come to you. You have to probably put up flyers or go to middle schools or high schools and offer it to parents. But with that, you would be making roughly $30 to $60 an hour with doing the same amount of work, or even less challenging for, high school level math. Job category number 3 would be any job on campus. So for example, a resident assistant. After applying and getting accepted, all you have to do is look after the floor, have some events for people on the floor get to know each other, make sure nobody is misbehaving or being rude to other people, and occasionally you'll have shifts at the front desk, and you get free housing in the university, in the dorm or off-campus dorm. And sometimes you do get paid a little extra for doing things like sitting at the front desk or helping to sort through the mail. Another opportunity on campus is parking enforcement, if your university actively does parking. Or you can be at a front desk in a library or in a gym. So there are a lot of opportunities purely for students because they're on a university campus. Also, speaking of being at a front desk at a gym, you can go off campus and find a gym like Lifetime that is super expensive, work there like once a week at a front desk, or be a swim instructor that really requires you just 1 or 2 hours a week. And that way you get a free membership to a really expensive gym and you can impress all your friends, or if you just like that gym, just go there for yourself. But that's just a little tip. Job number 4 is being a barista at your local coffee shop. Universities are surrounded by coffee shops, as they know students love going there to study, so there are always opportunities to get a job. But also, if you start working at Starbucks, for example, as a freshman, you might have opportunities to move up and be a shift lead, and then you might be a manager, and you might already have a progression going on while still being in college. And of course, more progression, more money. Now, opportunity number 5 is research, if you're interested in that. Oftentimes there are research assistants just to inputting data or doing simple experiments that you're being trained on. You will get paid during the semester, but also they have summer internships and you're already part of the lab, so you don't need to go through the application pool one more time. And you'll be making like $1,000 a week by working full-time at a lab, while also advancing your career if that's what you're interested in. But also, if you're part of a research group that just recently published a paper, they might go to a conference to present their findings, and they might take you along with them for the experience. Now, work opportunity number 6 is a little bit mixed. I would say start shadowing at whatever you're interested in. So for example, if you're pre-med, go ahead and shadow at a hospital. Or if you're into business, shadow and just start as an assistant in some local firm. Or I've known people that were studying government and they would start shadowing or volunteering in the capital, but that would also gain them an internship opportunity during the summer or the following semester or the following year. So at first you might not get paid or get paid as much, but that will lead to really good experience and internship opportunities during the summer or the year after you graduate. Now, job opportunity number 7. I did not do it myself because I did not know how good it was until I met some friends that were doing it and they were making a lot of money that I didn't know I was missing out on. And if you're wondering, this job opportunity is being a waiter at a restaurant. Now, I do have to warn you, it is a lot of work, but when you're a student, restaurants are being very flexible with you. So you pretty much can choose your own hours. And if you have exams coming up, you don't have to work as much. But whenever you do have free time, let's say in the summer, or you have a period of time that you're not really doing much and you can pick up extra shifts, you will make more money. From personal experience, this is where I've heard people make the most money, but it does come with putting in more work than at other opportunities. But at the same time, you can also just do it part-time or pick it up as needed whenever you need some extra cash or whenever you want to go on a vacation, you just want to save up a little more money. Well, I hope these ideas helped you in any way, and if there are other job opportunities that you've done while on campus, write it in the comments below for everybody else to see. And if this was helpful in any way, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up as it will help me out as well. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.